Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Resolve token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. You only search for the investing. According to the white paper, Resolve is a decentralized finance protocol that issues a productive delta natural stablecoin USR backed by Ethereum and Bitcoin, designed to generate sustainable yield while maintaining a tight peg to the US dollar. Purpose: it solves the demand for low risk yield generating stablecoins by using crypto native collateral and hedging strategies to eliminate market direction risk. Technology: the protocol employs a dual tranches vault system and delta natural strategies using perpetual futures to hedge collateral price volatility and secure yield across multiple blockchains. Tokenomics: the Resolve token provides governance rights, staking rewards, and a share in protocol fees, aligning holders with the ecosystem growth. Resolve token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 371.98 million Resolve token. Resolve token is listed on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.